Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Roblox installer not working. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. To fix both of these errors, we're going to follow the same steps. 1. Uninstall Roblox player from your PC fully. You can do this by going to the control panel and clicking on Programs and Features. Then, select Roblox Player and click on Uninstall. 2. Once Roblox Player has been uninstalled, run the Roblox installer twice. Yes, you read it right. Run the installer once and then run it again. 3. After running the installer twice, press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. 4. Type %local app data % and press enter. 5. Open the Roblox folder. 6. Open the versions folder. 7. Open the folders within versions until you see Roblox Player Launcher, not Roblox Player Installer. 8. Run Roblox Player Launcher. That's it. You should now be able to install and play Roblox without any errors. If you're getting the error Roblox Player is already running, even though you've uninstalled it, you can try restarting your computer in safe mode and then uninstalling Roblox Player again. If you're still having problems, you can contact Roblox support for help. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.